Hi, so today I want to talk to you about the magic of heating in facial rejuvenation. Look, you've all seen me use CO2 laser resurfacing to tighten the crepey skin, the superficial skin. And the way it works is that heat is delivered to the skin, and by delivering that, we do two things. One is that the skin immediately gets tightened, and number two, the process of repair leads to new protein, new collagen synthesis that eventually leads to better, tighter skin. Now, up to this point, we've had a limitation on delivering the heat to the subdermal tissue, and by that I mean it's not just the superficial skin. We're talking about muscle, fat, underlying connective tissue. They need to be tightened up as well as we age. So technologies such as Forma, which delivers radio frequency superficially, or Morpheus, which uses these microneedles that are insulated while they're protecting the skin, they're delivering heat to the subdermal tissue and doing what we just talked about. Or even more invasive things such as FaceTite or Embrace RF, which is a combination of FaceTite and Morpheus, deliver heat to the subdermal tissue and do what we talked about. So it's all about heat and being able to deliver it to the right place and right tissue.